My name is Yadrissa, but you call me Dress, and welcome to my channel. And today I will be showing you guys how I got this leopard eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and I will be showing you step by step how I did this look. This look was inspired by Aaliyah J here on YouTube, and I just wanted to recreate this look and put my little twist on it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload.
Hi, my name is Yadrissa. Welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I got this leopard eyeshadow makeup look. So this look was inspired by Aaliyah J here on YouTube, and I wanted to recreate this look and put my own little somewhat twist on it. Like I said, this look was inspired by her. She did this exact same look, but she did not have the gold liner that you see in my thumbnail picture. So I really did like this look, so that's why I'm going to try to recreate everything that she did in her video. So I'm starting off with concealer. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'm using this color because I want my eyeshadows to really pop. I wanted them to really stand out, and I think that this eyeshadow base, this light eyeshadow base, would bring out those colors a little bit more. So I did not put any primer on my eyelids because I don't use primer whenever I do eyeshadow looks. I just go in with my concealer, and I use that as my eyeshadow base before I apply my my eyeshadow. So I'm just making sure that these lines are straight and good enough for how I want it and shaped the way that I want it to go. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to perfect these lines and get it as straight as possible. And I'm going to be setting the concealer with some setting powder. And if I forget to mention something in this video, I will list everything down in the description box, all the products that I have used to create this look. Everything will be listed down from the brands to the colors and shades and everything like that. So I'm just going to be setting this before I go in with my eyeshadows. And I am going to be using the Morphe palette. I do not have the name of that Morphe palette right in front of me right now. I apologize for that, but I will, as I said previously, I will list everything in the description box of what palette that I use. So I'm just going to create those black spots and lines and just in random spots with the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, just to make it look, you know, like a leopard. I'm just going to be placing it all over, just trying to space it out so it doesn't look bunched together or anything like that. So you guys, you can just watch this part, and I will chime in from time to time just to let you guys know what I'm using or what it is that I'm doing. So being that I'm using such a small space on my eyelid, I didn't want to put too many black spots, but just enough to my liking, basically, to make it seem like so you can get the full effect of the makeup look that I was trying to create. So next I took my smaller brush because I wanted to get in that corner, and again the lid space is small and the spots are not that close together, but they're kind of close, and I just wanted to get really into the cracks to put this eyeshadow down. And this looks like this is an orange, but it looks like a deep orange that I'm using. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. Like I said before, the Morphe palette doesn't have names on the colors, So this is a orange shade that I was using from that palette basically. So I'm just filling it in with the orange, going all the way around the black, just filling in everything around it. So I'm finished with creating my leopard print, and I did go in with a gold liquid liner, and the liquid liner that I am using I got from my local beauty supply store, and it's called RK by Kiss. It says Eye Bling liquid eyeliner, and this is the gold shade that I'm using, gold glitter shade. So I thought that this would be really pretty to put this on top of this leopard look, just to give it a little pop. Yeah, I thought that was really pretty, so I just went in with that eyeliner. And now I'm using the foundation. I'm using the Fit Me foundation and the color 355 Coconut. And I'm just going to be tapping it all over my face with my finger just to apply it to my face, because as you know, this bottle does not have a pump. So I just put it on my finger, and then I'm going to be using my beauty blender, and this beauty blender is by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to be blending that foundation all over my face. And I don't know why this foundation is looking really light on camera. It looks kind of orange, and my skin looks darker than this, but it doesn't look like that in person. I don't know why it's coming off like that, but it looks like it's not my shade. But I don't know what's going on with it, but it looks a little orange. Honestly, it looks a little orange, but I did try to make it work, and I'm blending it in, and I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. I put that under my eyes, and I put it on my forehead and my chin because I wanted to lighten up this area, because I did not conceal underneath my underneath the foundation. I didn't put my concealer first on my imperfection, so I did want to add that top because I do have slight darkness underneath my eyes, so I wanted to try to blend that in under blend it in as well as I can basically. So now I'm going in with my setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm going to be using is the Sasha Buttercup. This one has that kind of a yellow tint to it. And then after I do the under eyes, the forehead, and the chin with this one setting powder, then I'm going to be going in with a darker shade by Black Radiance, and this is a shade that's closest to my skin tone that I'm using for the rest of my face to set the rest of my face. I'm naturally oily on my forehead and my T-zone, so I try to blend that in as much as I can. And after I put the setting powder, I'm just going to be lightly dusting it off because I didn't want it to be caked up on my face. So now this is finished look, and I'm just going to outline my line with a brown eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to blend that in. I'm just going to add a clear gloss on top of it. So if you like this makeup look, please like the video. If you have any comments about it, then leave your comments. Anything anything you want to ask me, leave that also. I'll be sure to answer your questions. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you watching my next video.